The 2025 Ford Mustang marks a significant evolution in this iconic American muscle car, blending modern technology with classic performance. Here's an overview of its key features: engine options and performance EcoBoost engine. The base model is equipped with a 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering a balance of power and efficiency. Mustang7G.com GT model. For enhanced performance, the GT variant features a 5.0-liter TI VCT V8 engine delivering 480 horsepower. It comes with a 6-speed manual transmission with rev matching, providing a more engaging driving experience. Exterior: the 2025 Mustang showcases a refreshed design, with a more aggressive front grille, sleek lines, and modern lighting elements, maintaining its classic muscle car aesthetic. Interior: inside, it offers a 12.4-inch LCD digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring Ford's Sync 4 technology for seamless connectivity. The cabin is designed for comfort and functionality, with available options for premium materials and finishes, performance and handling, suspension and handling. The Mustang is equipped with a short, long arm front suspension and a rear transaxle, contributing to near 50-50 weight distribution. This setup enhances handling and responsiveness, making it suitable for both daily driving and spirited performance. Braking system: standard front 6-piston Brembo anti-lock brakes, combined with large Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, provide exceptional stopping power and track-ready capability. Pricing: EcoBoost model. Starting at approximately $33,515, this model offers a blend of performance and affordability. CarenDriver.com GT model. Priced higher. The GT variant offers enhanced performance and features, with prices varying based on selected options and configurations. Special Edition Mustang GTD. For enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance, the 2025 Mustang GTD stands out. This track-ready, street-legal supercar is powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, producing over 800 horsepower. It features advanced technologies such as active aerodynamics, carbon ceramic brakes, and a dry sump oil system. Priced at $325,000, only 1,000 units are being produced, making it a rare and exclusive offering. In summary, the 2025 Ford Mustang continues the legacy of its predecessors by offering a blend of classic muscle car performance with modern technology and design. Whether you're seeking a daily driver with spirited performance or a high-performance supercar, the 2025 Mustang lineup provides options to suit a variety of driving preferences.